If you haven't tried the Starbucks green tea, it's really, really good. It kind of like tastes like, it just tastes like green tea. I mean, you can make green tea at home, but I don't know, there's just something about buying it from Starbucks that makes it just that much better. I don't know. But anyways, if you haven't tried the green tea, get it sweetened. It's really, really good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna go over just some stuff that it's just gonna be a mini haul on stuff I picked up at Ulta today, because you know, a girl can't keep herself away from Ulta. But I'm just gonna grab the things that I have and then kind of just show you. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag here is the Wet n Wild Coffee Cat palette. They did have another palette. This is new, so I'm like excited because of the colors. Like the color scheme is just like right up my alley. I love warm tone shades, and of course we are already like hitting fall, or we are in fall. I don't know, whatever. But anyways, I picked up this palette, and I think I might have a little dupe. It might not be an exact dupe, but if you can find something affordable, and instead of paying like a really huge price on something expensive, and get like good quality for a cheaper price, then I'd rather do that. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. The thing I picked up was this I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Mattifying Priming Spray. So this is what that looks like there, and it has little peaches all over it. Super cute. Let's try it right now. Has double tops, so that's pretty cool. Oh, it smells like peaches. The spritzer is a little bit aggressive, but it's okay. So then the next thing I got was this I Heart Revolution Peach Powder, and this is a baking powder, and you can use this to bake your face, but I just got it because it's peach scented, and maybe it's a dupe for the Too Faced, who knows. I haven't seen any reviews on it, so comment down below if you've seen any reviews on this, and I'm probably going to be looking up some reviews after I finish filming this video. So anyways, I picked up this Love Wellness Bye Bye Bloat, and it comes with 60 capsules, and it's digestive enzymes and organic ingredients to help you slim down and debloat. So it says to take 2 capsules a day. You can take 2 to 4 capsules after a meal or at bedtime. So I think I'm gonna take 2 right now and then see how that goes by the end of the night. But I'm excited to try those out. Next thing I got was this vegan collagen anti-aging body polish for tighter, younger, plump skin, and it's by Truly, and it's just like a whipped butter. It smells really good. You can see how it's like in there, and it's whipped. And this is for your body. No, I just spit. This is for your body, but I'm gonna try it on my hands real quick to see how it feels. Oh, it's thick. Oh, she thick. So it is pretty, it's very hydrating actually. Like you can, like, I don't know if you can see, but there's like literally shine on my skin from how hydrating this is. So this is not something that I would want to use if it's like really hot and muggy outside. I would probably use this if I'm going to stay indoors and not do anything at all. It smells really good. This one says it's vegetable, collagen, retinol, organic shea butter, plus vitamin C boost. It's vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty-free, real, made in the USA with global ingredients. Harsh, chemical-free, and this is 6 flow ounces. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this after a shower. There was another one they had, and it was for your boobs, but I didn't pick it up. It was like to tone and not to tone, it was to firm your boobs or whatever. So the next thing I picked up was the I Heart Revolution Peach Delight Mattifying Primer with vitamin C and E. And that's what that looks like. And of course I picked it up because it's peach. And then last but not least, I did pick up the Acqua di Gio perfume. And this one is, I don't even know what the scent is, but I picked up the 30 ml, so the 1 flow ounce. And this is what the packaging looks like. It has like a minty color here at the top and fades into white. And then this is what the bottle looks like. I did try it in store and I love the way it smelled, so I was like, I'm gonna get it because, you know, just want to smell good. It smells like lemon or like citrusy, but like perfume, like a perfume, a strong perfume scent. And I don't know, I didn't talk about this. Okay, so this is the last thing I picked up, and this is the Apple Crisp Apple Crisp Scented Soy Blend Candle. And this was $9.99 at Ulta today. They're having a sale on them. They're usually $20, but these are new. I think to Ulta, I don't think they have ever carried candles. And this one smells really good. It smells like crisp apples, like it really does. It smells really, really good. So I'm gonna be lighting this one right now. But it was $9.99 and I was like, why not? I love to have candles burning in the house. I had one that I have purchased, I think at, I want to say Ross or like TJ Maxx or something, and it smelled like sage and lemon. Like it was like a really like fresh scent. It smelled really good. So that one already burned out and I think it's time for a new one. So I'm gonna be burning this one tonight. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up at Ulta today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you've tried any of these products that I just, hauled in this little mini haul. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.